everyone, welcome to the Language Lounge. In today's lesson, we will talk about gerunds. A gerund is a word that looks like a verb but acts like a noun. It's formed by adding ing to a verb. For example, when we add ing to the word run, it becomes running. Dance becomes dancing. Sing becomes singing. And walk becomes walking. When these words end in ing and are used as nouns, they are called gerunds. Let's look at some sentences to see how they work. Look at this sentence for example. Swimming is fun. Over here, the word swimming is formed by adding ing to the verb swim. In this sentence, swimming is the subject. It's what the sentence is about, just like a noun. So swimming here is a gerund. Another example could be I enjoy reading. Over here, the word reading is formed by adding ing to the verb read. In this sentence, reading is something I enjoy, which makes it the object. So reading is the gerund here. Let's look at a few more examples. Playing, laughing, jumping, smiling, cooking, painting, drawing, eating. Remember, gerunds are verbs that act like nouns. They can be the subject, object, or even part of a phrase. Keep practicing and you'll see gerunds everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment down below which other topics would you like for me to cover. Bye-bye!